What's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will back again, and it's that time. Do my weekly wear. Everything I wore all week, last week. So jumping right into it. No pause, no intro, anything like that. On Sunday I grabbed this fragrance here, and I actually did a ride along with this fragrance too. It was it was the beginning of the week, but I did a ride along with it. Just wanted to check it out how it was, and this is I Am Trash by Etilibre de Orange. And man, this fragrance, to me, it's not a super long lasting fragrance, or at least as far as projection and things like that. It may stay on your skin for a good amount of time, but it's kind of a fleeting fragrance, and it stays really close to the skin. But the scent of it smells like something it should be jumping off your skin. It doesn't smell like a cozy kind of scent, even though some people would consider it cozy. You know, you can get close and get close encounters with this fragrance. But check out the ride along, you'll see what I mean. But that was on Sunday, and I go into depth about how this is made. Very interesting. So check out the ride along. That was Sunday. Then on Monday, I grabbed this one. I had a couple of meetings that I had to go to, and I had to dress up a little bit, so I wanted to wear something that felt a little bit more professional. And not that this is super professional, but it gives that vibe. It's a dressed up kind of vibe. And this is Invasion of the Barbers by Dua. This one is a clone of MDCI's Invasion Barbers, and it's a very clean, put together kind of scent. It smells like you just came out of the barbershop and just got your hair done, and just got the oil put on you and everything like that. Alcohol. But yeah, it's a very fresh, put together scent. It's a very gentlemanly kind of vibe. It gives off a vibe of someone also older, and someone that you want to take some direction from, so you will want to pay attention to what they're saying. So that's why I rocked out to on Monday. Then on Tuesday, I grabbed this one. I haven't worn this one in a while. I've worn since this smell like this, and that's the reason why I haven't worn this one in a while. I have maybe 4 or 5 fragrances that had the same scent DNA. But this is Silver, and this is what's the Rehab? I think it's Rehab. Our Rehab. And it smells like Silver Mountain water. And the thing is, that spray is crazy. This is one of the newer bottles. The older bottles they don't have this crazy spray. It's more like puff like that. But this one is just jet material. Look at that. Whew. But yeah, it smells like Silver Mountain water. Just a fresh kind of fragrance. It's not like a super long lasting fragrance, but it's something really fresh. It feels like a lemony, and it doesn't have that metallic kind of feel in the silver that they do in Silver Mountain water. But it was good. It was a good fragrance. That was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. No, this was Tuesday. And then on Wednesday, I grabbed this fragrance here. I was kind of in my mode of like those whole clean barbershop kind of vibe fragrances, and this is one of the ones that I put on. This is Aramis. I actually had this on a list recently too. Oh, my Father's Day list. I had this on the Father's Day list. It has this same type of thing. It has that same essence as the Invasion of the Barbers, but it smells different. This one smells like it has a little bit more iris in it, a little bit more oak moss, and it has a lot of notes in it, but it's the same type of thing. It has the freshness, smells like you're coming out of a barbershop. That was on Wednesday. Then on Thursday, I grabbed this one. This is an old favorite of mine, even though I don't wear it that often. If for some reason I had to get rid of most of my collection, if I had to get rid of most of my collection, this is probably one of the ones that would end up being in that group. And this is L'Homme by YSL. I don't know if that name's gonna come in, but this is such a clean, easygoing, fresh going fragrance, it has this this freshness to it with a little bit of spice. I think it's cinnamon. Oh my goodness, it's such a great scent. This is a smaller bottle. I have a larger bottle, but I was moving around a lot, so I wanted to take a decant with me, or take this bottle with me, because the one thing about this, the performance of it is not as superior as you want it to be. So I wanted to have something so I can refresh. So I took this along with me. That was on Wednesday. Wednesday, right? Yep, Wednesday. Then on Thursday, I grabbed this fragrance. This is new to my collection, and I hadn't gotten a long 4-day wear out of it. I sprayed it on a couple of times in the evening just to get a vibe for it, but I didn't have a 4 days wear of it. And I also did a ride along with this also. This is Fig, and this is by Molinard. Man, if you like Fig, this is one of those ones that you kind of get your nose on. Even if you just get a sample, if you like Fig, this is a nice juicy Fig, man. And it worked out good for me that day. I did a ride along, like I said. Go check it out. Fig. Then on Saturday, on Saturday, did I do a ride along? Yeah, I did do a ride along with that. Then on Saturday, I got this not too long ago, and this was really cheap, but I just was like, I'll pick it up because of, I think it was Justin over at Scent Siage. He said it was a pretty good one. And this one is Dior Sport, if that's going to come in. Yeah, Dior Sport. And it's supposed to be a clone of Dior Homme. surprise, Dior Homme Sport. And it was a pretty good one. It's a fresh fragrance. It's a sports kind of geared fragrance where it's like you can just wear this anytime you want to. It's not like it's not geared for anything major. This is just like one of those easy grab and go fragrances, almost like one of the fragrances that you can put on when you just don't know what you want to wear. So that's what I rocked out to on Saturday, and that's it. That was my whole week last week. Thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me talking about the 7 fragrances that I wore all week last week. Till next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.